astronomers discovered something weird and surprising in 2008. Clusters of galaxies were all moving in the same direction at crazy speeds of over 2 million miles per hour. What could have caused this? One possible cause was that massive objects outside the observable world were exerting gravitational force on the galaxies. The massive objects could be anything, from astronomically massive accumulations of matter and energy on scales we can barely imagine, to even weird space-time warps channeling gravitational forces from other universes.